Welcome back to our channel Tech World everybody. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can recover your Hotmail account. And before moving forward, in this video, I'm going to help you guys solve your confusion. A lot of people do not know, but Hotmail has been changed into Outlook. Hotmail has been bought by Microsoft. And now Hotmail is known as Outlook. So for all those people who had a Hotmail account in the past, you still have that account, but it has now been changed to Outlook. They have just changed the name of the company from Hotmail to Outlook because it has been bought by Microsoft. Alright, so do not get confused. So let me show you guys how you guys can recover your Hotmail account, or in another word, how we guys can recover your Outlook account. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's move on. First step, search your Hotmail and click on the first link over here. It will take you to the official website of Outlook. Over here, click on Sign In at the top. And over here, you want to click on Continue to Outlook Sign In at the bottom. It will take you to its login page. So wait for some time. Over here, enter your email. So I know my email. So I'm going to enter my email, click on Next. And over here we don't remember our passports, I'm just going to click on Forget Passport. Now once I click on Forget Passport, wait for some time, and click on Email. And it's going to send a verification code to your email, but before that you need to verify your email. So I'm going to enter my email over here and click on Get Code. You also do that. I just got the code on my email. So I'm going to type that code in here. So my code is 8,620,235 euros is going to be different. So just keep that in mind. Alright, so I'm just going to click on Next. And if the code is correct, on the next step, I can enter a new password and enter a new password again and click on Next, and my password of my Outlook account will be changed. Now when I want to log in into my Outlook account, I can enter the new password which I just entered and logging into my account. It's that simple to change the password or to recover your Outlook account, or in other words, your Hotmail account. So I hope I was able to help you guys with this video. If you guys did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye bye everybody. Have a nice day.